How to grow cilantro indoor. Hello my foodies, this is me again, CiCi. I don't know about you, but cilantro has been one of my favorite herbs of all time. So today, let's take a look at how we can easily grow cilantro indoor. First, add the coriander seeds in a small Ziploc bag, so the seeds here won't splash everywhere later. And as you can see, my older daughter just couldn't wait to help. So now we're using a rolling pin to roll the seeds into halves, because each husk here has 2 seeds inside. That's why I'm doing this. Day some green leaves came out. I was so excited to see them. It's such a important moment for all these cilantro. After 6 days, even more green leaves came out. Then I moved them to where it will receive about 6 hours of sunlight, but can be shaded during the hottest part of the day. The best temperature for cilantro to grow is between 50 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. If the weather is too warm or warmer than 75 degrees Fahrenheit, then it will bloat easily. After about 2 weeks, if you like, you can also thin out the weaker seedlings. But I'm just gonna let them grow naturally. If they're too crowded later, I can always harvest some earlier. So as you might notice that I didn't record anything between the 14th and 17th day because someone actually accidentally harvested a handful of my cilantro. Oh well, okay, but anyhow, as you can see, on the 18th day, there was still a section that's empty. But since cilantro will grow bigger, so they will naturally fill out the empty spot. We can start harvesting our cilantro once it is 3 weeks. Some want to wait until about a month, or when the cilantro reaches about 6 inches tall, which sometimes can take up to 45 days. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any tips or any tricks on how to grow cilantro, comment below and share with us. And also remember to subscribe, thumbs up, also share this awesome video with your friends and your family. And I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye now!